Hi, in this video, I will create security objects. Let's look at our project. For security, I will create two different roles. One for managing all the environment for this project, activity project, and one for employees who can just only enter her or his activities or duties. So let's start to create first security objects. I need to add new item here. We have securities. First, I need to create a privilege. Let's create um, for this project. We will create entry points, and entry point means actually for us many items. Uh, there are many items. Let me close this one. I have display many items, and I will drag and drop all my many items to my privilege. I can create uh, one for every menu item for a different privilege, but I don't want to create like this. And I need to select this access level to delete for give a full right, and I need to write the description here. Okay. Now let's create another one. And this time I just only want this and this. And select, delete, and okay. Now let's create duties for our project. Let's create another one. I will add later. Okay, let's go back and okay, I drag my privilege to my duty. Also, let's drag this one to this one. Now my duties are ready. Let's create different roles for this one. Let's create another one for employee. In roles, I can add privilege, but it's best practice to use duties. So I will drag and drop my all duties here. For employee, I will use this one. Okay, let's give a name here. Okay. Now my security objects are ready. Of course, every time is not simple like that. Also, it's not best practice to create every small project a new role. But for demo purpose, I create two different roles, and I will give manager role to myself, the employee role to another test user, and I will show you how just only and sees the activity form and duty form. Okay, let's run this project and check it with security. Okay, I have a test account here. Let's assign our role to this one. Sorry, I forgot. For rows, you need to synchronize your project. I'm not sure why it's needed, but if you don't synchronize, you can't see here. So let's go back and synchronize our project first. This one. Now I synchronize and reopen the form, and now I can see these uh, roles. So I will assign activity employee role to my test account. Now it's ready. Let's log in with this account and see what's happened. Now I log in with this test account, and let's look at modules. As you can see, there are few modules. Actually, there are no modules. This common and organization administration comes with this system user role and account receivable and activity management. As you can see, I can only see these two forms. Let's open this form, and now there is an error. I think because this user don't have any worker, it doesn't filter directly. So we need to check this. If one user is not assigned any employee, we need to block this form to open. Yes, this is a good case. But other than that, it's now working. As you can see, I just only see duties and my activities. Okay, for security, it's enough. There are lots of advanced issues about securities, but as a developer, you should at least create these objects for your project. I hope it's helping. I will continue to add more reporting functionality to our activity project. Happy Daxing.